What's up, everybody? Today we are going to make some pulled pork in the Instapot. We got the big old pork butt here. Got the nice deal from Food Line. Almost 9-pounder for $9. Can't beat that. So we're going to go ahead and prep it. I'll show you guys what you need to do, how long it takes to cook, and what you get at the end. So just stay tuned and we'll start prepping this thing. So I took that pork butt earlier, just cut it up. Probably like, I don't know, maybe 3-pound chunks at the most. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and coat it with whatever rub I got. And then we're gonna go ahead and sear it, just to get some extra crispy crust on it and flavors in there. So stay tuned, these things are getting ready to be all breaded up or rubbed up. And all right, so we got the rub all coated on there good. You should see a nice little red tint on it. That's how you know you're good. Make sure you keep a lot of the fat in there when you cut it up too, because it's going to give you some extra flavor whenever you get cooking. So we got the nice warm, clean Instapot. We're just going to put about a tablespoon of, maybe a little bit more than a tablespoon of oil down there. Give us a nice non-stick surface so we can sear a little bit. You know it's hot when the oil goes real smooth. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and throw a couple of these in there. Let's see here. Nice sear. Probably have to do about 2 or 3 sear seconds. So we got a good sear going here. We'll just let these go for probably about 3 minutes each side. Get a little bit brownish. Everyone, we are all seared up. We got all the meats thrown in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off sear. And to cook, we're gonna do manual high for 45 minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and I guess we can start it because it takes a little while to preheat. So let's go ahead and manual. 45 minutes. And that should do everything for the settings. It'll pretty much kick on once it gets the pressure. That timer won't start counting down until it gets the pressure. So, but there it goes, it's on. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our concoction of sauces and whatever you want to put in there. So for me, I'm cleaning out the fridge. I got all the barbecue sauces. They're all still good though, so it's just a matter of making a meal out of nothing. So just dump all that in there. You can hear that thing sizzling down there. And this is probably about a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of sauce. Some people don't cook with sauce. I usually don't when I do the barbecue. Smoke it, but everything I read online said this is the way to go, so I'm gonna give it a shot. It can't taste bad. So that's that. And normally when I barbecue, I use apple cider vinegar. So we're gonna go ahead and do 1/3 cup. And I think this is a 1/2 cup. We're gonna do 1/2 cup apple cider vinaigrette, and then I got a 1/2 cup of Welch's. Any grape juice really, or apple juice will work. Basically, this is what we're going to be using for our steam. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in there, and then we'll get ready to close her up. And I'll show you what you got to do. So there will be the last of the liquids added from pressure cooking. So like I said, Welch's apple juice or any apple juice and some vinegar. This pork has a lot of fat in it, so you don't have to worry about not having enough to steam, because once this thing starts really getting the temperature, all the juices are going to pump out, and we're actually going to have a sauce at the end we're going to use that we can pour on the pork. I'll just use for dipping if people like. So basically, just make sure this thing is on the the sealed function, which is all the way vertical. Go line her up. She'll make that little Super Mario noise. And then that's it. So just let it cook. 45 minutes. We're going to let it naturally vent whenever it's done. So it'll probably end up being about an hour of cooking until you come back. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll show you what's next and what you get. So it's been 45 minutes of cooking time, about 30 minutes of natural release time. Just check to see if there's any pressure, no pressure. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing and see what we got. All those juices. We only put what, a cup of stuff in there, and it smells amazing. So we'll let this cool for a couple minutes, and then we'll shred it up. And it'll be dinner time in about an hour and a half. Got our trusty skillet here. We're just going to pull some of this out and see what we got. Look at that. Nice and done. Lots of juices down there. Oh yeah, it's falling right apart. Get that bone out of there. So that just scrubs right off the bone. Can't beat that. Look at that. Look at that in the trash. This meat's got to set for a little bit because there ain't no way anybody's shredding it. Get better tongs. Look at that. Alright, so.